हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप अंग्रेजी सीखना चाहते हैं तो आप इसकी शुरुआत कर सकते हैं इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस के साथ। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस सीखना। स्टैंड अप, स्टैंड अप, क्लोज द विंडो, क्लोज द विंडो, पिक अप द बुक, पिक अप द बुक, राइट योर नेम, राइट योर नेम, टर्न ऑन द लाइट, turn on the light. Please pass me the salt. Please pass me the salt. Could you open the window, please? Could you open the window, please? Please hand me that pen. Please hand me that pen. Please wait a moment. Please wait a moment. Call me tomorrow. Call me tomorrow. Take a right turn. Take a right turn. Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. Cross the street. Cross the street. Enter the building. Enter the building. Turn off the main road. Turn off the main road. Press the button to start. Press the button to start. Mix the ingredients well. Mix the ingredients well. Files in the folder. Put the files in the folder. Read the instructions carefully. Read the instructions carefully. Finish your homework. Finish your homework. Don't touch the hot stuff. Don't touch the hot stuff. Stop at the red light. Stop at the red light. Watch your step. Watch your step. Wear your seat belt. Wear your seat belt. Stay away from the edge. Stay away from the